In this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble a Greenkey Collapsible Water Butt. Start by placing the feet on each of the legs. To help you do this, try pushing against the floor or using a mallet. Once all of the feet are on the legs, unravel the water butt. Slide the legs through the holes, ensuring they go all the way to the top of the water butt. Then it's time to attach the taps by unscrewing the cap and removing one of the two rubber washers. Screw the tap into the outside of the water butt before reconnecting the other rubber washer and cap on the inside.